Hi guys, today I'll show you how to connect Google Apps with N8N in just 5 minutes. Right now, I'm on my N8N dashboard and I've already added some Google Apps nodes. To connect your Google account, simply open the node, tap on the drop-down and click Create New Credentials. Select the default option, auth2 as recommended. Now we need the client ID and client secret to complete the sign-in process. To set this up, go to console.cloud.google.com. Log in with any Google account. It doesn't have to be the same one you'll connect to N8N. First, we have to create a project. For that, click Select a project, then choose New Project. Enter a name. Let's call it N8N Connection and hit Create. You'll see a notification showing the project is being created. Once it's done, click Select a project again and choose the one we just created. Then, select API and Services from the menu. Next, we need to enable the specific Google Apps API. Click on Enable API and Services. Scroll down to find the app you want to connect with N8N. You'll see options like Google Drive, Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Sheets. If you can't find the one you need, just use the search bar. For example, let's search for Google Docs. And there it is. Now let's go back and open the Google Sheets API for this demo. Tap on Enable, and that's it. It's now activated. Next, we need to generate the client ID and client secret. To do that, click on Auth Consent screen and then tap Get Started. First, we need to enter a few details. Under App Name, let's type N8N. Then, select your user support email. Tap Next. Now, you need to choose the audience. If you're using a Google Workspace email, choose Internal. Otherwise, select External. Tap Next to continue. Here, we need to provide an email address where Google can send notifications about project changes. Enter the email, then tap Next. Agree to the data policy and continue. Finally, click Create. That part is done. Now click on Create Auth Client. Select the application type as Web Application. You can keep the default name or change it if you prefer. Next, we need to add the authorized redirect URI. To do that, go back to your N8N dashboard, open the Google App node, and copy the redirect URL. Paste that URL here, then tap Create. A pop-up will appear with your client ID and client secret. Simply copy the client ID and paste it into N8N. Then, do the same with the client secret. Now, you'll see a Sign In with Google option. But before you proceed, there's one more step. Go back to the Google Cloud Console. By default, the app we created is in testing mode. To sign in with a Google account, you need to add that email as a test user. Click on Add Users, enter the email address you want to connect with N8N and hit Save. That's done. Now return to N8N and click Sign In with Google. A Google Sign In pop-up will appear. Select the email address you added as a test user. Since our app isn't verified yet, you'll see a warning message during sign-in. Don't worry, just click on Continue. Enable the required permissions and tap Continue again. Now the connection is successful. You'll see the message Account is connected on the node. However, since the app is still in development mode, the authorization will expire after 7 days. This can cause errors in your workflows, like failed executions. To avoid that, we need to publish the app. Go back to the Google Cloud Console, click Publish App, and confirm to move the app from testing to production. And that's it. You've done everything needed to prevent any future authorization interruptions. If you want to connect more Google nodes, open the node and click on Create New Credentials. The client ID and client secret will be the same as before, but we have to enable the API first. For that, click on the 3 dots here, go to API and Services, then Enabled APIs and Services. Tap on the plus icon and select the app you need to connect. Simply tap on Enable. If you need to copy the client ID and secret again, just tap on Credentials and click on the edit icon. Here, you can see the client ID and secret, which will be the same as before. Let me show you that once again. Simply copy and paste both the client ID and secret. Tap on Sign In with Google. Select the Google account you want to connect. Since our app is published, we can connect any Google account. Our app isn't verified, so it will show something like this. Just click on Advanced and tap on this. It shows as a warning, but don't worry, it's completely safe. Enable the permissions, and here we go. Our account is connected. By this way, you can connect any Google Apps node. Just enable the API, add the client ID and secret, and sign in with your account. It's that simple. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, feel free to let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be uploading more N8N tutorials in the upcoming days. Till then, it's me Rajiv, signing off.